Hi, I'm Mike. Today we're going to talk about a common problem in many manufacturing processes: the production of dirty solvent. The dirty solvent is generated during those production processes that involve its extensive use. Sectors such as industrial printing, flexoplates manufacturers, the coating industry, and the chemical industry are some examples in which the solvent is employed significantly. During these processes, the solvent is used to clean equipment, dilute inks or paints, degrease components, and perform all the essential activities for the production. With continuous use, the solvent accumulates impurities until it becomes saturated, thereby compromising the quality and efficiency of your production process. Typically, the accumulated dirty solvent is stored in specially designated environments that require particular attention from a safety and working conditions perspective. For all industries looking to optimize their production process and maintain clean, compliant, and safe working environments, installing a Ciemme solvent distillation unit becomes essential. This innovative machine regenerates the solvent, making it usable once again in the production process. The functioning of the distillation unit is as simple as it is effective. The dirty solvent is heated and brought to boil to be separated from impurities. The generated vapor is condensed and collected, thus producing high-quality distilled solvent that can be easily reused. This technology allows for the recovery of up to 90% of the solvent, significantly reducing costs associated with disposal and the purchase of clean solvent. In addition to economic benefits, you will also contribute to corporate sustainability and the conservation of resources. The Ciemme solvent distillation unit is an excellent investment for all companies mindful of production costs. Its effectiveness in solvent recovery and the savings on operational expenses enable a swift return on investment. So, if you want to optimize your production process, lower operational costs, enhance working conditions, and contribute to environmental preservation, the Ciemme solvent distillation unit is the ideal solution for your company. With over 40 years of experience, Ciemme will analyze and study the best technical solution for your production process, providing an automated, certified, and technologically advanced solvent distillation unit. You will find other interesting details on www.ciemme.it and write an email at ciemme@ciemme.it to be able to immediately save on costs associated with solvent treatment.